Are you ready to discover a delicious and refreshing way to take control of your blood pressure? In today's video, we are spilling the beans on 5 fantastic drinks that can help you maintain a healthy blood pressure level. So grab a glass and get ready to sip your way to better health. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy, and in today's video, we are diving into the world of beverages that can play a crucial role in reducing your blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure or hypertension is a common health concern that can lead to serious complications. But fear not, because Mother Nature has gifted us with some fantastic drinks that can assist in keeping your blood pressure in check. Before we jump into these fabulous drinks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Alright, let's get started. Drink 1. Hibiscus tea. This vibrant and tangy infusion is not only visually appealing but also packed with antioxidants that help relax blood vessels, thus promoting a healthier blood pressure. Studies have shown that regularly sipping on hibiscus tea can lead to noticeable reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. So next time you are looking for a refreshing sip, consider brewing up a cup of this ruby red elixir. Moving on to our next drink, beetroot juice. Let's turn our attention to a drink with a vibrant color that matches its health benefits, beetroot juice. This earthy concoction is rich in nitrates which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can ultimately aid in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. A daily dose of beetroot juice might just be the boost your heart needs. Up next, we have a drink that is not only refreshing but also nutritious, green smoothie. Packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale, along with potassium-rich ingredients like bananas and avocados, green smoothies can help balance sodium levels and support blood pressure regulation. Plus, they are a fantastic way to sneak in those essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. Now let's talk about pomegranate juice, a delightful and tangy option that can positively impact your blood pressure. Pomegranate juice is loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols which have been linked to improved heart health. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to better blood pressure control. So pour yourself a glass of this ruby red goodness and drink to your heart's content. Last but not least, we have a classic favorite, green tea. Known for its numerous health benefits, green tea contains compounds called catechins that have been shown to support healthy blood pressure levels. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with improved artery function and decreased hypertension risk. So why not swap that cup of coffee for a soothing cup of green tea? There you have it. 5 fantastic drinks that can help you take control of your blood pressure in the most delicious way possible. Remember, while these drinks can be a great addition to your diet, they work best when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle. And as always, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing medical conditions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next one. Toodles!